Hey, what's up guys? So if you want to get the OneUi 8.5 style glass icons on your Galaxy S24 Ultra or S25 or any Samsung device, so that is now possible. So today in this video we'll check out that how you guys can apply these icons on your phone. So for that, first of all you will have to install an application named as OneUi 8 Icon Pack. This application is available in the Play Store app and you guys can install it. And once installed, after that you will have to install another application named as GoodLock. You can get this application from the Play Store app or the Galaxy Store app. After opening the GoodLock application, tap on Theme Park. Now from here, select this icon option, then tap on Create New. Now from the Create New, tap on Icon Pack, then tap on OneUi 8.5 Icons. Now from here, after waiting for a while, tap on Effects. From here, tap on Glass. And this is how you can get the glass effect on these OneUi 8.5 icons. You can also further customize these glass icons. As you guys can see, there are multiple customization options available. You can customize it the way you like it. And once all the customizations are done, simply tap on the download option on the top right corner. Then you will have to name it, simply name it and tap on OK. Now it will save this icon pack with your customizations, and once it's done, you just have to select the icon pack you just saved. Now tap on Apply. And that's it. Now the OneUi 8.5 icons with the glass effect will be applied on your Galaxy phone. For now, it is working for some limited apps. As you guys can see, it is not working for all the apps, but I hope that hopefully soon it will be available for all the apps as well. And if you want to unapply this icon pack, so that is also possible. So for that, you will have to go into the GoodLock application, and after going into the GoodLock application, tap on Theme Park. After tapping on Theme Park, simply select the icon pack, then tap on Unapply. And then the icon pack will be unapplied. And that's it for today's video. This is how you can apply the OneUi 8.5 style glass icons on your phone. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.